Hello and welcome back. In this module, you'll learn how important it is to live your dreams and leaving the legacy you desire. You've been following the legacy connected with your past, family, and childhood since you started to think about how this world and destiny works. Now it's time to leave your mark. You must believe that your life matters, and with this, you will leave your legacy on this earth. Live your life to the fullest and participate with great hope. You have all the courage. You should think that your life matters, and it is an undeniable fact that you will leave your mark on this world. It means you have made a great impact not only on your life, but also on the life of others. What are the signs of people leaving behind their legacy? One of them is someone's advices and quotes. Some of them belong to people from the last century, but their legacy still lives on till today. Decide what legacy you want to leave behind. If you've decided, then start creating and saving the important pieces together. You must start executing the actions by now that you want to pass on to generations. In your day-to-day life, use your resources effectively to make an impact on yourself as well as others. Simple ways to live and leave your legacy. Whatever areas of your life you do work in, add more value in it to benefit others. And of course, you're doing it for yourself as well. Be an inspiring role model, a mentor, and not only a teacher, but also a healer. One way is through mentorship. Mentorship is the best option to exchange learning processes and tips with others and teach at the same time to try to make a significant change in society. Share something worth sharing with everyone, and always when you meet and greet. In their life, benefit of society is the only goal to achieve. Simply motivate others to pursue their passion, listen to the voice of their hearts, polish their talents, and ignore the criticisms or use them for their improvement rather than self-loathing or depression. For instance, if you're a writer, you may write for others. It can be a book, poems, columns, diaries, and any form that you like. Use them to preserve and protect your legacy. You may also listen and give advice. Share experiences and experiments. Make a habit of being a volunteer in whatever you think you would be a best person to contribute with all of your energy and skills. For example, you may operate a social enterprise business. You can have a language center where half of the proceeds go to those who are less fortunate. Make a list of all the skills you've learned by interest and by need and construct a free course for those who cannot pay but need to learn to earn and support a family. Share your blessings with others. Share some of your blessings with others. There are various ways to leave your legacy, and one of them is to share your happiness with others. Do your best to transfer it in the best way. Donate your money, and as much as you can whenever, to charity. Give it always with a smile and free of stress without worrying about what next. It helps in future financial resource building for others. What you eat and drink. Share as much as possible. Recipes and methods, tastes and blends. Make a collage of family traditions and write something to let others know how to celebrate a specific occasion and what is important. Be an inspiring role model, a mentor, and not only a teacher but also a healer. You are enjoying and seeking happiness of abundance, and now it's your time to give back. Legacy can be wealth and knowledge or skill, all you have attained, and make use of it as a part of the legacy. Spend each moment of your life doing something of your interest and seeing your dreams' achievement in the future. Make a difference with your ideas and invest in only what you want to see. Help others see their own potential as well. Here are some questions to ask yourself to ensure you leave the legacy you want to. Have you done all those things for which you would like to be remembered by your loved ones? How do you visualize the community's reaction to your legacy? Will your legacy help the world to become a better place? What lessons would be passed on to others from your legacy? Whatever the kind of legacy you would like to donate to others and young ones, give it as pure as you can with honesty and best of your knowledge. It all depends on what leaving behind a legacy means to you, what value you consider the best support for this cause. Point to note is that the purest and righteous actions is something beneficial for humanity, that is what would be useful for those to whom you are passing on your blessings. Share some of your blessings with others. There are various ways to leave your legacy, and one of them is to share your happiness with others. Do your best to transfer it in the best way. Always remember to have the right intentions. We've now come to the end of this journey. Will the habits you've developed through this manifestation journey influence your daily routine in a positive way? And is it adequate to influence others? What have you done for those who are not included in your loved ones? Have you presented something for all those who are strangers to you but still living in this world? You are leaving your legacy for this world, and not only for your home, family, and friends, or relatives. Your life has a goal, which is to win. Winners are the leaders, those who lead their life in their own ways and leave their legacy behind. Legacy is everything within, unconscious, our past, our mistakes, our regrets, unpleasant memories, and all of this, no doubt, holds us back from progressing. The human mind has an inborn tendency to seek and grasp on negative thoughts, indeed. But remember, those who are submissive towards the legacy are those who lose. All you need is to allow yourself to start doing what truly matters now. Start living the way you want to be remembered.